Hello guys, I just want to do a really quick video on Microsoft Teams, which we'll be using for live classes or office hours this year or whenever we're e-learning. You can go to your start bar and search, click on the wrong button, so Teams. And this little purple icon, Microsoft Teams, pops up. I have it saved to my desktop or my start bar, so that way I don't have to search for it every time. It'll come up something like this. It might look a little different for you depending on what your screens are, and like that. When we go into when you click on one of those links, it's going to immediately jump into a meeting. So your screen is going to look exactly like this. At the beginning of the year, I would like you to show your beautiful faces, but I understand if that's not a comfort thing for you. I'll probably have your microphones muted joining, and then when you join in, eventually, you're going to have a screen which will probably have my face or my PowerPoint, something like that on it. You're going to have options down here to turn your cameras on and off. You're going to have an option right here to mute yourself or unmute yourself if I'm asking you a question. A couple things that's going to be really important with everyone being online at the same time. If more than one person talks, everybody pretty much mutes themselves out. So just like in class, you can raise your hand, and you can also lower your hand. So if I answer something, you can lower it and I won't call on you. Right here is a chat box, so you can see I've played around with it a little bit already. Type messages, emojis, I can put in some forms like how you feeling on this, what's the answer, A, B, C, or D, things like that. And then one other thing is you guys will have turn on live captions. So if you do need that, it is live, so it's not perfect. That will be available to you. The only other thing you really have to worry about is most of our things, at least live, will be recorded, and that's really about it. I do have the power to mute you, so be nice. One other fun thing that is usually cool is you can have background effects. So it shows your face, but it doesn't show any of your surroundings. And so you can have different options here. Some of my favorites are down towards the bottom and they get a little crazy, like this one. So those are, that's Microsoft Teams. That's what we'll be having class and office hours in. And then when you don't want to see me anymore or class is over, you just hang up and it leaves. All right, and then it'll give you a summary of the things that we have done. Again, if you have any questions on it, let me know.